In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in Microsoft Visio. This will be a comprehensive guide that will take you no more than 5 minutes to master. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft Visio in the search bar. Press enter and you should see the official Microsoft Visio page as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on it to open the home page. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. It's time to access your account, so click on that. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in, which makes things a little easier. If that's the case, select your account, or if you're prompted, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Don't forget to input any additional security information if needed, and then log in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. From here, the next step is to locate the Apps section. Simply click on Apps to be presented with a variety of Microsoft tools. Scroll through these until you find Microsoft Visio. Once you see it, click on the Visio icon to open up the program. Now that you're inside Visio, navigate to the Home tab on the Visio ribbon at the top of your screen. The ribbon is essentially your toolkit, displaying different options and features that you can use within the program. Direct your attention to the Tools group. Within this group, you will see several different tools for drawing and editing shapes, but for our purposes today, we're going to select the Line tool. The Line tool is specifically designed for creating straight lines with ease and precision. With the Line tool now selected, move your cursor over to the drawing page itself. This is the blank canvas where you'll create your line. Click once on the spot where you'd like your line to begin, and then hold the mouse down as you drag the cursor across the page to your desired endpoint. This will determine the length and direction of your line. Once you've dragged the line to your satisfaction, simply release the mouse button. Doing so will finalize and complete the line segment you've drawn. Congratulations, you've just drawn a line in Microsoft Visio. This simple process can be repeated as often as needed to create additional lines in your diagram. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with these tools to better acquaint yourself with what Microsoft Visio has to offer. Thanks for following along, and happy drawing!